Hello everyone, my name is Aidar, and in this video exercise 5 climate data part 2 I will show you the bias correction and data check. First of all, we need to open our bias correction script and we need to load our libraries. Libraries are the same from the previous videos: tidyverse, lubridate, mtk, sf, terra for special data processing, reverse central asia from hydrosolutions, qmap for quantile mapping, and the additional library patchwork that we're gonna need for this script. Next part is configurations, which stayed the same since the previous videos. If you still have the configurations from previous videos, then you can just copy and paste it. Next, we have the bias correction part of the script. Here, you don't need to change anything. You can just run it as it is. So in detail, the bias correction workflow is the following. We prepare the HRUs, we prepare the historical observation data, and we extract the data by groups, and we convert temperature from degrees Celsius to Kelvin. Now we fix row names, and then we prepare historic temperature and precipitation simulations. We fix the row names for that and do the similar thing with the future simulations. And after that, we do the quantile mapping using the library QMap here. Then we export everything, uh, and then we convert back to the degrees Celsius and export two CSV files, and the resulting files would be in the directory model dir that we specified in the configurations part of the script. And then we go to the cross-check part of the script, which doesn't require any changes, so you can also um, run it without making any changes. After that, we do the plot results for selected models and scenarios. Here, the only thing that you need to change is the file name or the output that would be saved here. For example, I saved it in this folder, and this is the result of the first part of the script where we plot results. We can do the same for precipitations and check the bias corrected temperature for negative extremes, and then we can plot the 10-year mean developments. Everywhere, in every part of the script where we plot the results, the only thing you need to change is the directory of the resulting file. Here we can see the results of development of 10 years mean temperature and annual precipitation. And that's all for this short video. Thank you for your attention. If you have any questions, you can write in the comments or to the email. Thank you.